Hello friends, today I'm doing the unboxing of Ugg Australia that I've got on eBay, and they are actually winter boots. I returned some other pairs that I've got, and I got these ones as they were a little less expensive and they are new from eBay, and that model I always wanted, but in past it was not on sale, and lately I thought I would get it as it was on sale. So I've got Ugg Australia Arquette. This is the box. It looks like this, and I've got it in size 9.5 US size and in color brown, and box looks like this. It's kind of good condition and they are new, so let's open them. So, wow, nice. So here is the boots. Here is number 1. Here is number 2. And also come with this small booklet about Ugg. Feels like nothing else, and it says materials and craftsmanship, and it says tread light, material used. So here are the boots. Let's do posing for thumbnail. Okay, so let's see how we look like. So this is Ugg Arquette, and it looks really cute. It's made from leather. Even it has some smell to it. Here it has some nice stitching going on. It's quite of nice leather, I really like it. The sole is made from rubber with cork infused. Here it has Ugg sign, and this model is interesting because it is not like others, because it can be worn two different way, and it has a zipper in front, which is really cute and convenient, and it has nice fluffy fur earrings on the outside, but it also can be worn this way when you put it up, and when, for example, it's raining, then the fur is inside and they just looks like this, and zipper is this kind of leather. They have this pull on the outside, and it says Ugg waterproof, which was a selling point for me, as here where I live is many snowing days in winter, and you need good shoes for winter, as you get caught with wet, slushy snow and you can't go anywhere. So I just needed the waterproof Uggs. As my other Uggs, most of them are like this kind. This is actually a different brand, but it's from Kirkland. But those boots not good for snow, so I wanted something more appropriate for snow. So they have really nice fluffy fur on the inside, but let's put it down. But then they don't have it. They come with inserts, and then here they are not any they don't have any more of that fur, but just they have some nice, really soft material, which is really nice and soft. And then they have also this fluffy Ugg Pure they have on heel here and on the insole. And on the insole, right there, do you see? Yeah, I hope so. Yeah. So yeah, and they have nice. Here they have nice guard for zipper. Hope that when they closed, that snow doesn't come through here. But who knows? Yeah, so that's. We have some small heel here, like this part, this much. Other one looks the same. On this part it says it's 100% wool on the inside, and some polyester sock lining, backing polyester, and real fur from lamb. So yeah, and this is called spider rubber, infused with cork. Yeah, so I open and try them on. Just hope the zipper is not stuck. Let's remove those things. Try them on. And here the tag looks like this. This model is, I think, 2016 or 17. So they are not anymore in many stores, but you can find them on eBay or Poshmark. So let's try them on. Yeah, they are really good quality. hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Hit notification bell to be notified when I upload. Okay, so that's all what I have to say. See you in the next one. Bye.